Hi, I am Siddhant. I am introducing a very useful yet important product, that is a NFC enabled digital business card. This allows you to share all your details in just one tap. This company was founded by Dr. Arnav Jagtap, an enthusiast coding and UI UX expert. I am currently managing the social media handles of Cleek, that includes both Instagram and Meta tools. We are currently strengthening the social media presence of Cleek for a better digital presence.
I am Priyesh Agarwala. So we have worked with a very great startup which is Click. So in the first meeting, we as a whole group brainstormed some ideas and pitched the founders. I was assigned with the task of finding new features of the cards and redesigning the website with the founder. I suggested them so many features, and the feature they liked the most was the card as a college ID card. So the market of the card will be expanded. And also in the website they had dual section for many things, which increased the confusion, which led to confusion for the users, like the login and sign up at different sections, and the product and shop was also in different sections. We merged them into one so that the confusion would be reduced.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Agrawal. So my role was to create meme-based marketing content to engage audiences and promote the company's digital card business solutions. My responsibilities were to analyze the trends, developing viral memes, enhancing social media engagement by increasing likes, shares and interactions. This role helped me sharpen my creativity, understand audience psychology and understand meme culture for effective digital marketing.
Hello, I am Sachin Kumar Sao. I am a financer, but this time I have owned Design Hat as I had to sketch business card designs for Cleek. Before we came into the picture, Cleek had only two designs. One for CAs and one for doctors, which were too monotonous and boring. So we tried to tap into the psyche of consumers and tried to design cards based on their favorite IPL teams, their favorite movie series, or their characters, like someone is intellectual or sporty or artistic, which were interesting and colorful. Secondly, since it's a novel product, we tried testing acceptability and awareness of the product through market surveys across all age groups, and have collected data on features, concerns and prices expected by the consumers. The video of which it is next, followed by an ad we have shot for Cleek. Thank you.
So hi, are you aware about digital business card?
Yes, I am. So they are becoming more popular amongst the professionals out there, and I think they're a good alternative for traditional business cards.
No. Okay. So do you think will it give any edge for effective networking?
I think so because it's more interesting, and apart from that, it's more fast and instant. It's a lot easier for you to collect digital business cards, I feel, because everything's on your phone after you exchange your information, whereas it's not the same.
So I think so these cards will be really helpful for professionals like me, because they will help us to network more, and they could also help us to make connections very efficiently. So that's my point of view.
So this is John, and he has been a Cleek card user for a long time now. We can hear some of the benefits that he has got from the card. So let's hear us from John.
Hi. So this has been pretty useful for me. I mean, it's kind of customizable. I have my own logo on it, and wherever I go for a meeting or whatever, I can just easily share my contacts. Anywhere I casually meet up people. Right. Usually, I used to end up carrying these cards, but that's like, who does it nowadays? I'll rather go for the NFT card.
So you have seen our cards now. What features do you recommend from our side? Or other features?
Okay, I think so. Yeah, you should link CVs to it, because it will help job professionals to give this card to the employers rather than 4-page CVs, which will make it more convenient.
Okay.
So that's my first point of view. And second, I think so, if somehow you can add payment features to it.
Okay.
If you will add payment features to it, it will increase your customer base.
Alright, so the features that I think should be included is like, the concept is very good, but I feel payment integration and like student ID cards of students and like recently graduated people, along with a better user interface, would be way better for us. Like other than that, product is really good.
And any concerns you think while using this?
Concerns. So the only primary concern that I particularly have is that regarding the safety or like surety about the information that is being transferred, like personal information, it should not be misused, right? So if that is like solved, then it's great.
So what did you like about our card?
I like how colorful the cards look, and it's very customizable. So it's very convenient for us to use as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to buy one.
Okay, so
It's a
like
very good idea actually.
correct. So if we give you a chance that you can customize what logo would you like to be printed? Like something related to BTS or something, anything, whichever theme you would like.
That I haven't even thought about currently, but maybe something related to cats.
To cats, yeah.
Yes, something related to cats because I'm an aerophile.
Oh, that's great. So even pet lovers can get their cats or dogs picture printed on our card. That would make it good, right? And would you recommend this to your friends as well?
Definitely.
Are you looking forward to buy one?
Of course I am.
All right, then we make a sale here.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bored of printing traditional business cards, having difficulties while sharing IDs, reviews or portfolios, missing that extra edge while you introduce yourself?
इतने प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशंस चाहिए? आ जाओ, दिला दूंगा.
Whether you are a freelancer, content creator, businessman or even a student and looking to showcase your talent via something, Click is just for you.
Oh, hello sir. My name is Divya Gawal.
A few moments later.
So, hi Sachin, I've heard about you a lot, about your venture funds and your investments. I've just started a startup. I would like to connect with you.
Yeah, sure. It's available.
Okay, sure.
How's that?
So, my details?
Oh, wow. It's a nice car. I want one. Interesting.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
नेटवर्किंग करना अच्छी बात है, बट बिना क्लिक का नेटवर्किंग करना ये तो सही नहीं है. शुभ रात्रि.
Upgrade your business card and make the switch to
Click.